Hello students, welcome in my channel. Today we discussed on the topic cell division. What is cell division? Cell division is a process in which each parental cell divides into daughter cell. It is of three types: amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. But we are mostly familiar with mitosis and meiosis because amitosis type of cell division occurs in prokaryotic cell. It is a simple division. In this division, simply cell elongates and its nuclear matter departed into two parts. A constriction appeared in center and it divided into two daughter cells. In this type of cell division, no involvement of chromosomal movement, not involvement of spindle fiber formation. It is very simple division in which cell randomly divide into two parts. We are mostly familiar with mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis type of cell division occurs in eukaryotic cell. Now we discussed mitosis type of cell division. It is also known as equational division. It occurs in somatic cell as well as germ cell. In this type of cell division, from one parent cell, two daughter cells are formed and number of chromosome in the parent cell and progeny cell is the same. That means in this type of cell division, the constancy of chromosome is same. As for example, if the number of chromosome in parent cell in diploid organism is 2n, then the progeny cells have also the number of chromosome is 2n. Mitosis occurs in two substages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyo means nucleus and kinesis means diffusion. That means it is clear karyokinesis involves nuclear division and cytokinesis involves cytoplasmic division. Nuclear division also takes place in four substages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, which we discussed in another video. Cytokinesis occurs after the telophase. In this division, cytoplasm divides into two daughter cells. Now we move on meiosis. Meiosis occurs in germ cell during the gamete formation. That means during the formation of egg and sperm cell, meiosis occurs in germ cell. At the end of meiosis, four haploid daughter cells are formed from one parent cell and each daughter cell have haploid number of chromosomes. Meiosis involves into sequential division, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is also known as reductional division because in this type of division, the number of chromosome it becomes half. That means, as for example, in diploid organism, if parental cell have 2n chromosome, then in progeny cell, या daughter cell, it becomes n. Therefore, it is also known as reductional division. But in meiosis 2, the number of chromosome is equal in progeny cell and parental cell. That means, therefore, it is also known as homotypic division. In meiosis 1 type of cell division, recombination of chromosome occurs and the number of chromosome becomes half in progeny cell. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.